Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we will learn about common table expression, which is usually called CTE. So what is CTE actually? CTE is a temporary result set that you can refer within a select, insert, update statement. The advantage of CTE is much faster, much reliable than subqueries. So this is a CTE basic structure. What we need to do, we start with width and our CTE name, and then column name, and as, and in the body here we goes write our query. So and then we use our main CTE query, which is the name of CTE. So let's get into the practical side. For example, I want to create a temporary table. Okay, and this is my temporary table. Hash mean we have a temporary table. So let me go first and drop it out to make a clear example. So what I need to do, this is my fact internet sales table and I want to copy it rather than applying actual operation, because it's my production table. So I do not want to disturb this value from the production table. So what I am going to do, I am going to create a temporary table here. So inserting a temporary table. So let's create me inserting a temporary table. So now creating and insert a temporary table. Keep in mind that single hash means this table is only resident or available within this session. However, if I want to use in other session, like for example in this session or in this session, so it will not be available on the other session. So okay, so we create a temporary table and we have updated all the record in temporary table. 60398 is our total rows which we have updated in our temporary table, but this is not my purpose today. So I am going to truncate the values of all the temporary tables. So I have now structure, okay, of the fact internet sales in a temp fact internet sales table. So what I want to create, I want to write a simple fact internet sale query, simple query, and now I am covering with the CTE, like as I told you that with CTE here, and then with CTE as, and then this is my body. And what operation I want to apply, I want to apply insert operation here. And for example, let's say if I have a query without any operation, so will it works? I hope yes, it will works. So we have all the records 60398 rows here. So but what I want to do, I want to insert fact internet sales data into temporary internet sales table using CTE. So with CTE, or you can say common table expression, whatever the name you can use ABC, XYZ, whatever the name you want to use, so you can use, there is no restriction. So this is my main body of CTE, and then this is select static from CTE, that we are fetching all the record from CTE and inserting into this table. So let's run this query. Okay, so cool. So we have all the records in our CTE, right? So next step is, if we want to update any statement or any data from fact internet sales to temporary internet sales using there is lot of way, but we are using CTE right now, but it could be a simple update statement, or could be a subqueries, could be a views, but CTE is, I already told you, that is a effective efficient way. So here is our main query which we are going to, actually I'm showing you that we have only 27 rows. So I want to update these 27 rows, okay, and let's say its extended price is 2049, okay, extended amount, and what I am going to, and sales amount, let's say sales amount, where is sales amount, 2049. So what I am going to do, in this temporary table I am going to actually double up the value, multiply by 2. So this is my query. I am fetching with this query only 27 rows which satisfy this sales territory key is equal to 2. So and then we have update what we are going to updating a temporary tables, and then we have this column we are going to update from CTE, which means this query result set we are applying, and then we are using joining of this table. Okay, so let's rerun this query. So only 27 rows are updated, right? Cool. So let's, for the sake of example, let's see or scrutiny one row. So 2049 is over, and let's run this query both way. So this is old value and this is new value. We are actually doubling this value. So cool here. Okay, so similarly we can use delete statement as well. For example, I want to delete these 27 rows from temp table. Okay, keep in mind I am deleting from temp internet sales, not on the original fact internet sales. Okay, so this is my query, and then I am applying from delete operation and using this is our CTE query. So I am checking each by each rows. If sales order is compared with sales order in CTE, if this match, then I want to delete the record from temp table. So let's reapply this. Okay, so we deleted 27 rows. So total we have 60398 rows. Now it will have 60371 rows. Let's scrutiny this also. 60371. Let's say 60371 is the result. So I hope you understand this value of the video that we learned CTE and how we can apply the CTE in our future or complex tasks. Thank you very much for watching this video.